Hello everyone, welcome back to Random Things. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the basic features of PowerPoint you should know. So let's begin. So first is changing the font size and font color. So first we'll change the font. Here there is a bar where there's an arrow. You need to click there and you have a list of fonts available there. If you can select any one of them. If you want to add a font that you cannot find in the list, you can just search it by typing over here. Just select the text and type. For example, I want Times New Roman. So there we go. I have the option of Times New Roman, and now when I type, then Times New Roman will be used. Oh, sorry, I didn't select it. Times New Roman. Yeah. Now I will write. Oops. Yeah. Hello. So as you can see, the Times New Roman font is being used. Next is font size. Font size. Now, to change the font size, you just need to select the text. And here again, beside the bar of font, there is font size. You just need to click there, and there we go. We have big as well as small size. Now, if you want to make it more bigger, so like the maximum over here in the list is 96. I want it to be 150. So I just need to select the number and type 100. Then there we go. The font size is 100. Next is font color. So again, we have to select the text. Then there is a bar over here named font color. Here we have a list of options. Now, if you cannot find the color you want, you can go to more colors. Over here, there is a standard one and a custom one. In custom one, you can make your very own color, while in standard one, you are given the colors that are already made. So let's see if I want the text to be blue. So here I have selected blue and then I have clicked OK. Over here, as you can see, the color is blue in color. The text, sorry. Now we move to insert, in which we are going to insert text box and shapes. So if you want to insert shapes in PowerPoint, they are already available in the Home tab. They are also available in the Insert tab. Now first let's insert from the Home tab. I'm gonna use, let's see which shape. There are tons of shapes. Now I want to use rectangle. So I'm going to just select it and then drag, and that box will be made. Now here you have an option of edit shape. So you just need to select the edit points, and then there we go. I can edit the points and make my very own shape. So here you can see I have made my shape, but I don't really want it. I'm just telling you this feature. So yeah, I'm going to select it and just delete it by selecting and then clicking backspace. Now let us insert the rectangle again using the insert tab. Over here you have an option of shapes. So I have to select the rectangle. Just a minute. Yeah. And then again I'll drag it on the screen and there we go. Our rectangle is ready. Now I'll change the theme of the rectangle. Over here you have a list and you can choose any from here, or you can choose the shape fill and shape outline. So by default the shape fill is orange and the shape outline is blue. Now again we have a list of colors, and if you cannot find the color which you want, you can again go to more colors. Now there are more options too. There is the option of picture. You can choose from a file, online picture, or from icon. There is also a option of gradient. There are many gradient options. You can also choose more gradients. There you can get more options. So by default it's blue. So if I want it to be, for example, let's see, more colors, standard. Okay, I want it to be a bit dark. No, the lightest one first. So white is okay, really? Oh no, I did a big mistake. That's okay, I can choose white again. Now, the second, I want it to be a bit lighter, like this one will work. Yeah. Next will be dark, a bit dark. So let's see here. Yeah, that's good. And then here. So it might look a bit uneven. You can drag it and make it as you want. So here we go. Yeah, that looks really nice. Now let's go to the next one, which is texture. So there are a list of textures you can use. So yes, like droplet, and then mm, more. So like this is blue tissue paper, etc. Now let's change the outline of the shape. So again there are list of all colors and there are weight. So like I want it to be a bit broad, like a frame I want to make it. So here I can choose any, like this. Now there are more. If you want some other, like you can change it by using this. So width, you can make it more like this, or you can even type, for example, 10 pt. So you can see it's 10. Now I want it to be like thin, so I can choose this to 1/4. And then here you have types of one, like dots, square dots, and dash, dash dot, etc. So we'll choose um, the original one, default one. Now I want to change the color. I want it to be the dark purple. Now, the next is the text box. We have done the shapes and now we'll move to text box. Now, in the shapes, there is option of text box. If you have deleted any text box by mistakenly, then you can go to home or insert tab in shapes. There you can find the first option, which is text box. You just need to click it and drag it over anything. So as you can see, so sometimes when you drag it to take it to somewhere else, you can see the insertion point is not there. So people tend to delete it and then add another text box and type in it. So instead of doing that, you can just double click in the text box and there we go. We are having an insertion point. Again, you can use these features over here. You can change the font size, then font color, etc. Now you can see I wrote hello, but I wanted the box to be behind the text. So what I will do is I'll select the box and then go to shape format. There I have an option to bring it forward or bring it to front or send it backward or send to back. So I want it to be at the back. So there we go. Our text is uh, in the front while our box is at the back. Now the next feature is edit shape. So edit shape we have already covered while we were inserting the shape. So there we go. We have already done the edit shape and now is the design tab or change theme of the PowerPoint. Now we have an option of design over here. You have many options here. Let's see if I don't want any of these. Okay, let's take this one. So if some of them are having different colors, they're already available here. As you can see, for example, I want it to be pink. Okay, let's make this a bit small and here, yeah. Now this, I don't want this to be white. I want this to be pink. So let's see, I can make it either solid fill or either gradient fill. Well, I think in this one is looking nice, but okay, let's use solid fill in this one. So not bad, but we can choose much better like this. This one looks really nice. Yeah. Now we have done this and now there is also option to when you open the PowerPoint you get more themes. These are the themes that are already with the uh, Office PowerPoint, but there are themes that we can download and use. So let's don't save it and then open PowerPoint again. So you can see I have downloaded these themes and there are more themes. So you have presentations, themes, education, chart, diagram, business, infographics. You can also search from others. For example, kids. So I have themes for kids over here. Then for example, I want themes. So when I click there, I have a lot of themes over here. So here, for example, I want this. So you can see if I want to download it, it will take me 501 kilobyte. Now let's us use the theme which we have downloaded. For example, shapes. Yeah, that looks really nice. Yeah. So you can see there are already the pictures and things over here. Then also you have an option of layout. If you don't want the something like the designs, or you want some other designs, so there you have an option. For example, over here I don't want this design to be used. Instead, I want this one to be used. So I have chosen this, and there we go. The text box I can delete and make it a blank screen. Yeah, delete. Select it, delete. Now, these are all the features we are going to cover in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more.